How to make fish tacos in 2 minutes? Hey there, fellow food lovers. Are you ready to revolutionize your Taco Tuesday? Do you love fresh, vibrant flavors and the ease of a lightning-fast meal? Well, buckle up because I'm about to show you how to whip up the most incredible fish tacos in just 2 minutes. Yes, you heard that right, delicious, satisfying, and insanely quick fish tacos are totally within your reach. Let's face it, sometimes we crave something scrumptious, but we barely have the energy to stand in the kitchen, let alone prepare an elaborate meal. That's where this recipe comes to the rescue. Whether you're short on time, dealing with picky eaters, or simply want a delicious and healthy meal in a flash, these tacos have your back. Ingredients: serves 2 to 3. Pre-cooked fish, 12 ounces, cod, tilapia, salmon, or your favorite flaky white fish crunchy slaw, half cup pre-shredded cabbage mix. Creamy sauce, 2 tablespoons sour cream or plain Greek yogurt, a squeeze of lime, a pinch of chili powder. Tortillas, 4 to 6 small corn tortillas. Optional toppings: chopped cilantro, diced avocado, salsa, hot sauce. Get cooking. Warm those tortillas. The secret to the best taco experience is warm, pliable tortillas. Toss them in a dry skillet or microwave for a few seconds. They should be soft, not crispy. Flake the fish. Using a fork, gently break apart your pre-cooked fish into smaller pieces. If it's not already seasoned, sprinkle it with a little salt and pepper. Mix that sauce, trust me on this one, the sauce is key. Whisk together sour cream, or Greek yogurt, a good squeeze of lime juice, and a dash of chili powder. Taste and adjust. You want it tangy and a little spicy. Assemble your masterpiece. Now for the fun part. Place a warm tortilla on your plate, pile on some fish, a generous scoop of slaw, and a drizzle of that creamy sauce. Finish with your favorite toppings: cilantro for freshness, avocado for richness, salsa for a kick, and hot sauce for those who like it fiery. That's it. 2 minutes are up, and your incredibly tasty fish tacos are ready to devour. Tips for success. Pre-cooked for the win. The beauty of this recipe lies in using pre-cooked fish. You can find it in the refrigerated or frozen section of your grocery store, or even use leftovers from last night's dinner. Customize your toppings, your taco, your rules. Get creative with pickled onions, shredded cheese, mango salsa, or whatever tickles your fancy. Don't skimp on the sauce. The creamy, tangy sauce is what brings everything together. Be generous. Make it a fiesta. Serve your tacos with a side of rice and beans, guacamole, or a refreshing salad for a complete and satisfying meal. The flavor explosion. The magic of these 2-minute fish tacos lies in the perfect balance of textures and flavors. The warm tortillas, flaky fish, crunchy slaw, and creamy sauce create a symphony in your mouth. Add in the punchy toppings, and you've got yourself a flavor explosion worth celebrating. See? Delicious and satisfying meals don't have to be a hassle. With a little preparation and creativity, you can whip up incredible fish tacos faster than you can order delivery. I hope this recipe inspires you to get creative in the kitchen and embrace the power of quick, flavorful meals. If you want more awesome recipes and kitchen tips just like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.